Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for DBMS. Today we are going to continue the topic that is two-tier and three-tier architecture with real-time examples. So, whenever doubt, please kindly check the playlist. You will get the continuation. So, this tutorial definitely helpful for who want to crack the exams like GATE, UGC and so on. So here, first two-tier architecture. So two-tier architecture, there are DBMS concept two-tier and three-tier. First one the two-tier architecture. So one of simple architecture where it follow the client and server model. So client and server model, and let's see the diagram. You can understand some number of clients will be there and data is connected. So I'll say the real-time example also. Let's say real-time if you go railway counter or IRCTC is there. So wherever go you can show or restaurant also. Here, moreover, the architecture provides added security to the DBMS and so on and so on. Also provides direct and faster communication. So advantage you can say direct and faster communication. Example you can say one more example you can say conduct management system created using the MS Access. And let's say real-time example one more. So let's assume that you are a user who going to the restaurant. There will be a client machine. That means on the counter there will be a person and start to enter the data whatever you are asking. It will connect to the database. At last you will get the receipt. So in your shop you are going there for food, you are going to eat some order pizza or something, you can order something, at last you'll get the receipt here. So it's just small restaurant, small companies, it's sufficient. Now we go to the switch on to our next topic called that is three-tier architecture. Why you go for three-tier architecture? Because the need is here the two-tier architecture, some drawbacks are like scalability and security. Scalability in the sense what that is the capacity, or you can say number of users. So whenever multiple users approach and ask and retrieve the data, it's very impossible. So this not two-tier is not suitable. And also we can go for the three-tier is the extension of two-tier, and more it's completely based on internet only. So today most of the DBMS support the three-tier architecture. It completely depends on the internet only, and data is stored in the help of cloud computing today. And its concept components like client tier, application tier, and database tier. So or we can say one more is business logic like that. Sorry. So one more you can say application tier, database tier, one more is personalization tier like that. So here like this, so remember in two tier only direct communication with the client server. Here database don't know the data. Remember the database never knows about the client, what are the information, what like that. And moreover here to overcome the security and scalability, we are coming to the category of this, come to the concept of 2-3 tier here. Moreover here what happened means the end user, the GUIS database system, and the user has no idea about the application layer under the DBMS system. And before, let's say example of Facebook also today, and let's say you heard now about this layer one by one. Here the first one, the database layer, we will name this layer where here the database resides, what we can say, database resides along with its query processing language, remember. So what are the queries, everything process. Let's say example of today, banking. So if you go any banking SBI like that, what happen? The user interface will be there. So you are the user means what you can do, we can't directly access the server, you can request, you can type the user ID, password, and so on and so on. After that, what are the information we can get request? That means view the balance, fund transfer, you can do the activity here. So here remember, so database tier, what happened? The database is along with its query processing language. Then come to the application layer, it's a middle one. So you know, I see the diagram here, middle one. Here for a user, this present an abstract view of the database. So is present the abstract view, and also it acts as a mediator between the user and database. So this is the middle one, user and the database, the middle one. Then come to the client, or you can presentation tier, user tier. Here end users operate on this tier and they know nothing. Okay, they don't know anything about any existence of the beyond this existence of the database and beyond the layer. Just not told you. So remember, say is the one and the three-tier architecture we are referring today. The reason, some of the advantages we can say, simple advantages, faster communication and security, and also Scalability. Security in the sense how means here multiple users can use the data. So whenever the user, particular users, for example, operating with a banking user, particular user only can access the data. So that means you give the username, password, and OTP sending, and the data will be safe here. And scalability is that so number of users can access the data. So number of users, whenever want to keep on sending the request and response, Gmail or even Gmail also what number of users using at a time, and they can do number of users what they can perform the operation, sending the mail and attaching the file and so on. So many things happened with the help of 3-tier only. So when you come to 2-tier, 3-tier is very easy and point of security and scalability, and also so many things that these are many important things. So security and scalability are because advantages are 3-tier architectures here. So I hope that you understand about this session. What is the use of 2-tier and 3-tier? If any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media link what are going to the description box. Thank you.